Welcome, guys, to Crypto Outliers. Today, we are going to take a look at the news making the rounds. We are starting with the IMF. IMF envisions new class of cross-border payment platforms with single ledger. IMF is pushing greatly into introducing a platform which they call the XC platform that could operate domestically using tokenized assets, including deposits with or without CBDCs. So IMF is pushing for a CBDC policy that will make central banks of member countries to use the platform. The platform is called XC platform. We don't know the chain it will be running on yet, but we know that the name of the platform is called XC. I'll be dropping a link below if you want to read further about the platform that IMF is pushing for its member countries. The IMF Director for Monetary and Capital Markets Department, Tobias Andrian, said the new type of platform could benefit individual and institutional users through lower fees and faster transaction times. He said some of the $45 billion paid to remittance providers every year may then go back to pockets of the poor. So in essence, he's trying to say that this new platform will reduce the remittance fees that some of these remittance providers like Western Union, MoneyGram, their fees are normally high. So it's saying that this new platform, XC platform, will help to reduce the fees of cross-border payments, thus helping the poor to send money to and fro within borders at a very cheap cost. But the game plan here, from my own perspective, is yes, the CBDCs will lower the cost of cross-border payments. But what about privacy? These are areas that we still have to look. How will CBDCs kind of interfere or intrude into our privacy? More research will have to be done on that for a conclusive argument that definitely it will interfere with the privacy of the holders, because people and citizens who are holding CBDCs, it's a central bank controlled digital currency. So the government can control the money in your wallet, everything about it, how you spend it, what you do with the CBDC. So it's a whole lot of things about CBDCs. So, but it's still a developing monetary system, and we are keeping an eye on it for you. Moving on, tokenization could be a $5 trillion opportunity led by stablecoins and CBDCs. CBDCs again. This was from Bernstein. Bernstein is a popular research company. They are saying that about 2% of global money supply via stablecoins and CBDCs could be tokenized over the next 5 years, which is about 3 trillion, the report said. The benefit of tokenization are simple. The process brings operational efficiencies and improved liquidity and accessibility, Bernstein said in a research report on Tuesday. Tokenization is the process by which real-world assets are converted into blockchain-based tokens. Bernstein estimates that the size of the tokenization opportunity could be as much as 5 trillion over the next 5 years. Bernstein here is pointing out the potential of CBDCs and RWAs. RWAs are real world assets. It's highlighting the opportunities, a 5 trillion opportunity that is there, that tokenizing the real world assets like your real estate, land, which is also is a real estate, bonds, so many things that are still in the what I can say in the physical form, converting it into digital tokenized assets on blockchain will unlock a 5 trillion opportunity. Let's take, for example, tokenizing real estate. Let's say a prime real estate in New York that costs about $50 million, a prime property. It can be tokenized. Instead of you having to bring out 50 million to buy the whole real estate structure, you can buy a piece of it with $1,000, 500, because the whole asset is tokenized. And once it's tokenized, it democratizes the assets. So many people can now buy into the real estate. That's one of the few examples of tokenization of real world assets. Moving on, Charles Schwab Citadel-backed crypto exchange goes live today. The name of the exchange, these two prominent Wall Street companies are backing, is EDS Markets, a new cryptocurrency exchange that is backed by Citadel Securities, Fidelity Investments, and Charles Schwab, is launching today. And they are starting trading with Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So it's a cryptocurrency exchange by the major players on Wall Street, and it will be launching today, starting with these cryptocurrencies: Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ether, and Bitcoin Cash. Trading will commence with institutional players for now, but going forward, they will also accommodate retail traders. One thing about this EDS market is that they do not custody. They do not keep customers' cryptocurrency. Instead, they allow customers to trade on the platform non-custodially. So you trade on your own, I assume, using your own crypto wallet. They say they won't be holding custody of customers' cryptocurrencies for now. Maybe later they might be holding the cryptocurrencies for their clients, but for now you trade non-custodially, meaning you trade from your wallet. What stands out for me in this news is that Charles Schwab and Citadel, Fidelity, these are the titans of Wall Street. If they are coming into the crypto market with an exchange to challenge Coinbase, Binance, it means that the crypto industry has actually matured. Moving forward, Twitter suspends memecoin linked AI bot after Elon Musk calls it a scam. It's talking about a Twitter account that is linked with ChatGPT called Explain This Bob. What it does is that it responds to Twitter once you tag the account, the Explain This Bob account. It uses artificial intelligence to write tweets. So, and another important thing about this account is that it was linked with a cryptocurrency called Bob. So Elon Musk felt that they are using this account, Explain This Bob account, that has gathered over 400,000 followers, to artificially prop up the price of Bob token. So that's why Elon Musk recommended to the Twitter team to close it down. Although it didn't say so, but from what happened, Elon Musk immediately after saying this sure looks like a scam crypto account, if so it will be suspended. You know what happens as the CEO of a private company, which he took private from some few months back. So immediately after this tweet on 2 days ago, they explained this Bob Twitter account was suspended. But however, the Twitter account for the token, Bob token, is still on. So we are keeping an eye on this. So meme coins have been, kind of blowing out of the roof these days. Remember the Pep coin? It took off and so many people make large amounts of money from it. Now is the Bob token. So we are keeping an eye on it. I personally am not a fan of meme coins. I see it like a gamble. Moving on. Bitcoin reaches 50% market dominance for the first time. What does this say? This actually says that Bitcoin investors are fleeing into Bitcoin and dropping altcoins. That's why the Bitcoin dominance is rising, and this is Bitcoin has reached this dominance for the first time in 2 years. So altcoin, for me, investing in altcoin now is a no-no. Let's wait for the macroeconomic indicators to show that the global economy is on the upward trajectory at least, or it has stabilized and it has recovered from the inflation that we have witnessed before you can now start betting on any altcoin. For now, for me, it's Bitcoin all the way. So I'm not surprised that Bitcoin dominance is growing. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance right now, it's 50.14%. And the price of Bitcoin right now is 26,846. So majority of crypto investors are moving into Bitcoin, selling their altcoins. And finally, former founder of Terra crypto project receives 4-month jail sentence in Montenegro for counterfeit passport usage. We all remember Do Kwon. He was the founder of Luna, the Luna project, crypto project that collapsed last year. He has been sentenced to 4 months in prison in Montenegro for passport usage. So remember to like, subscribe, and set your notification bell so that you can be notified each time we upload. We upload videos every day on what's happening on the crypto space. Remember, this market is all about information. The earlier you get the information and react on it, the richer you will become. See you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.